What's up guys, this is Brian C and welcome to another Gunpla unboxing, and what we have here today is the Quebeley MK2 Master Grade. Okay, so I actually purchased this through a private seller, and I actually got a really great deal for this. Okay, why don't we go ahead and do the unboxing here. Actually, before that, let's check out the outside of the box. This is actually a classic. The box says 2004, but the design may be a little bit older than that. So in a technicality, this is the same as the Quebeley Mark 1, practically the same. Okay, so let's do the unboxing here, shall we? Oh, and my next target is this. Can't wait. You know, I really do want to do a comparison between the Master Grade Double Zeta version 1 and the most recent one that's being released soon. Okay, so typically the manual is underneath, but the last owner was probably checking out the box here. So that's the reason why the manual is already out. And it's your typical Bandai manual. Just a little bit different. And this is play 2. So what that means is she's actually a clone. There's actually multiple Quebeley units and multiple play clones. She is a new type in the series. And you guys can notice the binders here. This is the fin panels. You get the hands, looks like it's very basic. It got your basic colors here. And you get the history of the Quebeley. If you can read Japanese, perfect. If not, oh well. Okay, and it looks like it shows you where the parts are for this one here. Okay, let's kind of zoom in here just a little bit. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 frames, maybe times 2 on some parts. Let's see. Nope. And you get your play here. There's actually certain parts that you're gonna have extra parts and a lot of polycaps here. You get your basic manual. It looks simple enough. The fence is gonna be the one that will be too repetitive. I'm already seeing 10 pieces that you'll have to install. Okay, looks like that's it. Okay, now let's just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you guys will notice this here. Every time you open up this type of box, there's always a single layer inside. Okay, everything seems to be here. This is actually the first time that I am checking this out. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Gonna take everything out of the box here.
told I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Okay, so one of the things I did notice about the Quebeley MK2 here are the red parts. It's actually a lot shinier than the other kits that I have actually built in the past. So this is actually something new, and I kind of like it, but I'm thinking about just painting it over or some clear coat flat. Not bad. And for the yellow, a little bit duller, but it will be better. So I think just a little bit of basic paint on special areas like this yellow part here. Turn it into copper or gold. Will bring out some details and even panel lining certain areas here. And this is actually, if you're an expert on or good enough to do scribing, this is scribing galore. Not bad actually, and it comes with that miniature size of plate too. Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully you guys like that video. I actually thankfully I got the chance to purchase this kit here for a good price, and I can't wait to try it out. Now, actually, I can't wait to try this out also. The decals here. And stickers for the eyes. Okay, well, let's get to it, shall we? So, I can actually suggest anyone to purchase this kit here. It is an older kit, but it is actually good practice. If you can get this for a good deal, perfect. If it's a little bit above the retail price, my suggestion is wait. I waited a long time for the price to drop on this kit here, and I actually got it lowered further down. Okay, so I'm a bargain hunter. Just to let you guys know, I am a bargain hunter, and that's one of the reasons why I am able to purchase kits for a really good price. So I'm thinking about doing an unboxing of the Perfect Strike Gundam High Grade, and the next one, well, I'm thinking about the Master Grade Full Armor Gundam. Okay, I'm gonna end this video now. This is Brian C. Have a good day, good night, afternoon, wherever you are. Signing out. See you guys later.